Another ruling in the long-running arms deal case. The Pietermaritzburg High Court has dismissed an application by French arms company Thales and former President Jacob Zuma to have all charges against them dropped. Thales argued that the death of two witnesses would compromise their right to a fair trial. But Judge Nkosinathi Chili found that the court is not empowered to withdraw the charges and that these concerns can be addressed during the trial. Nobuhle Modise has the details.
Another failed legal bid for former President Jacob Zuma. The Pietermaritzburg High Court has dismissed an application for a permanent stay of prosecution. Zuma and the French arms company Thales had both filed for all the charges against them to be dropped, and Thales had claimed that two key witnesses in the matter, who were former directors in the company, have since died and they will not be able to be cross-examined. Therefore, this might lead to an unfair trial. Judge Nkosinathi Chili ruling that he does not see how this will form any prejudice and that this can continue. Jacob Zuma had also piggybacked on that particular reasoning, saying that the death of these two key witnesses will also infringe on his rights to a fair trial. And now the court is saying that they have 14 days to appeal this particular legal bid, as well as you'd remember that this case has now been adjourned to the 4th of December. This is to allow both the prosecution as well as the defense to come up with dates for the trial in 2026.
It is our hope that there will not be any more interlocutory application that would have the undesirable effect or consequence or implication of delaying the quite protracted trial that has been running for over 20 years. We had maintained that they had rehashed an application that was dismissed sometime in 2018, which was dismissed by the full bench of the very court that now delivered this judgment that dismissed the application. There is also an application for leave to appeal by Mr. Zuma, which unfortunately may have the undesirable effect of delaying the trial from resuming. But we're hoping that these matters could be finalized before the matter could resume.
Both Zuma and Thales have been charged with fraud, corruption, racketeering and money laundering for the multi-billion rand arms deal in 1999. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nobuhle Modise at the Pietermaritzburg High Court.